In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on a page in a Wix website. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the Wix editor. You should see your page in the middle, and on the left side there's a vertical toolbar. To begin adding a video, move your mouse to that left-hand toolbar and look for the plus icon. This is the add button. Click on that plus sign to open the panel where you can add different elements to your page. When the add panel opens, you'll see various categories like text, images, and so on. From this list, look for the option labeled Video and Music. Go ahead and click on Video and Music. This tells Wix that you want to insert some kind of media player element, not just a static picture. After you click Video and Music, Wix will display several different types of video elements you can add. These might include a generic video player, video boxes, or specific options for platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, depending on what's available in your editor. Take a moment to look through these choices and select the video element that best fits what you want. In this example, we're going to use a YouTube video, so choose the YouTube video element from the list. Once you click the YouTube option, Wix will place a sample YouTube video box onto your page. You can drag this box to where you want it to appear and resize it by pulling on the corners, just like you would with an image or any other element. To connect it to your actual video, click on the video box itself. A small toolbar or settings panel will appear near it. In that toolbar, find and click the button that says Change Video. This opens a window where you can control which video is shown. Now switch over to your web browser tab where your YouTube video is open, copy the video's link from the address bar, and then go back to the Wix editor. In the Change Video window, you'll see a field where you can paste the video link. Click into that field and paste your YouTube URL. Wix will automatically recognize the link and load a preview of your video.